51225.
Okay, so the first case on our 9 o'clock call, the court's been asked to allow the second, third, and fourth annual accounting. Ladies, can I have your name for the record one more time, please?
Yes, my name is Teresa Amador, and this is not a lady. This is my son, Elijah Clearwood.
Welcome. All right, would you spell your name for us, please?
Teresa, Theza, Amador, Amador.
Elijah, Elijah, Clearwood, Clearwood.
Thank you, and thank you for coming. All right, Deputy Ames, let's just swear in Ms. Teresa Amador, please.
Please raise your right hand. Teresa, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, Ms. Teresa Amador, I have before me the second, third, and fourth annual accountings, which have been served on Elijah as well, who's entitled to notice. Is all of the information in those accountings truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes, they are. I know there was some discrepancies in my sending due to what the bank had given me. So I did the best I could with what information was available to me at the various times that I'd contacted them.
Well, I appreciate that and your efforts. It just appears that it's a singular account with really only the interest accumulating. Does that sound right to you?
Correct. Yep.
Very good. All right. Well, it seems like Elijah's doing pretty good. Everything okay on your end of things there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. All right. Well, the second, third, and fourth annual accountings do appear to be correct. I am entering the order allowing all three of them. I'll send you a copy of the order approving these accounts in the regular mail. Unless you have any questions, that's all I need from you today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'm good just as long as you're good with what was sent. I know, like I said, there was discrepancies and that was frustrating on my end, but I'm glad that it all is accounted for on yours. So
yes, absolutely. You know, sometimes if there's a bunch of transactions, then it gets kind of like, okay, well, we have to ask some questions. But when it's just the accumulation of interest, and I can see, you know, where the issues are there. So no worries. Okay. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a great morning.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks. Bye.
All right. Next is Deborah Handy. Come on up.
This is in the matter of the estate of Deborah Handy, file 53328.
Court's been asked to authorize an estate and the administration of that estate. We have the names of our participants.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Noe on behalf of the estate.
Who's with you?
Please state.
Stacy Pruitt.
How do you spell your last name?
K-R-U-E-C-K.
Perfect. All right, Mr. Noe.
Thank you, Your Honor. As the court correctly indicated on the record, today is the time and date set to open an estate. In this matter, Ms. Pruitt is an interested person in the estate, indicating that she's an heir. This is a petition to open the estate and identify heirs and also appoint her as the person representative of the estate. I've not received any objections or any communications regarding any objections to that. So you would ask the court to do just that, to open the estate, identify the heirs, and appoint and issue letters of authority, so my client can get rolling on this. We've already published, got that rolling. So my client is being very on the ball getting this done. So I think that's very proactive. I think that points in the right direction. I think the court should, amongst other reasons, grant our petition today.
Thank you. I know it's early on, but what do you see as the potential assets of the estate?
It's just the house.
Well, those unfortunately they didn't get with me to get a labor deed done. So here we are, Judge.
All right. No worries. All right. Well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of today's hearing. That does include the publication, which is verified in the file, as Mr. Noe indicated. There's also documentation to support that Ms. Deborah Lee Handy did pass away on April 28th, 2024, a resident of Lenawee County, making venue appropriate in this court. The errors appear to be properly determined, and I've had no objections, nor has anyone appeared to object to the determination of errors or the other relief sought this morning under the petition. I find further, based on the information presented in the death certificate, that Ms. Handy did pass away again on the same date, but also it does not appear that there is a will here, making intestate administration the norm for this case. Ms. Stacy Kruick does appear to be suitable and is suitable for appointment. Again, no objections, nor does it appear supervised administration is necessary in the circumstances. The order reflects the petition is granted, the findings that Ms. Handy passed away without a will, the direction that Ms. Stacy Kruick is appointed personal representative to serve without bond, and the determination of heirs. I have also signed the letters of authority allowing Ms. Kruick to administer the estate in accordance with her obligations. Very sorry for your loss. Unless there's any questions, that's all for today.
No. You can get a copy of those letters today.
We can ask Mr. Deputy Ames to
Or
take
not, we can
those.
get it when we want, just.
Well,
try to
no, I
rush.
just have to take it up with the clerks.
Thank you.
I usually do.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.